All right, more news coming in. SIT team probing the incident is to visit Tirupati today. SIT constituted by the government will have a meeting with the executive officer of the TTD. Additional executive officer and other officials in Tirupati is what we know. Apurva Jayachandran getting in those details. Apurva has been reporting on that story from Tirupati. Apurva, the investigations will in fact continue in this entire case with the SIT, I understand, of 9 members is all set to visit Tirupati today. Apurva.
Well, that's right, Sneha. In fact, what we are getting to know is that the special investigation team is likely to, arrive here in Tirupati today, where they will be holding meetings with, the executive officer there, J. Shyamala Rao, and senior other officials of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board. We are getting to know this 9-member team, which is led by Sarvashresth Tripathi, IPS, and other senior officers. All of these 9-member team is likely to arrive here in Tirupati, where they will not only go ahead and be visiting the temple there, but they will also be conducting meetings, looking into what kind of interrogation can be taken up. This is going to be the first time that the special investigation team is going to be visiting Tirupati. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu there, the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, had already stated that this SIT team, that is a special investigation team, is going to look into all kinds of possibilities, see where all had there been any wrong, if it went wrong, and what are the kind of action that needs to be taken. This team will monitor all that had happened over the last 5 years, that is under the YSRCP regime. It's going in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board especially, and is also going to call in for interrogation and investigation people who were handling the board during the last tenure. So that's what the SIT team is also going to go ahead and investigate into. But predominantly today, for the first time, the team is all set to arrive here in Tirupati, where they will be conducting meetings with the current TTD board members, including the chairman, the executive officer, J. Shyamala Rao, and other senior officials of the TTD, following which, most likely by this evening, they will also go ahead to Tirumala.
Thank you for the moment. Apurva getting us up to speed with those details as far as the further investigations in this matter regarding the adulteration of the Prasadam in Tirupati is concerned. SIT to visit Tirupati Tirumala today.